This time, I wanted to go back to the same spot on the South Shore that I like.
Oh, man.
And it's probably because I've had one phenomenal session there before some time ago, but I keep thinking the spot just puts out all-time waves every day. It's really not the case, though.
They would be uncomfortable, you know? Like, yeah, if it's coming off all at once like that.
Yeah. There's a joke in here somewhere. For Chinese New Year, the city put on a massive festival that went well into the night. There was a number of martial arts demonstrations and lion dances, and of course lots of food vendors to celebrate the Year of the Dragon.
Oh gosh, the water's cold.
At some point, I finally conceded and picked a different spot than the Windy Basin. Of course, this spot sits on the windward side of the island, and so surely it wasn't going to be as blown out as the other one. So we've seen our favorite surfer, Mason Ho, do this. It's a ding report. So this is after surfing Rocky Point, which, who would have thought that there's rocks at Rocky Point? Yeah, so we got sat on a rock and ripped up the fin boxes pretty good. Hard to see here because we don't have good lighting, but this rail's kind of squashed too. But you know, other than that, the thing's all right. And yeah, so that's what I have to say. Don't surf over rocks. They'll get you.